Hey, I am doing a video to show the use of the rivet gun. So if you've got pre-drilled holes already in the metal, that's why I've got this, so that I can put the rivet nuts in, which is a threaded little hole. So it's got threads in it, and then I can screw the bolt in there once the rivet's in. So what it does is it squeezes into the already existing metal hole and puts like a flange on the back of it, and then there's a flange already in the front, so it secures the threaded hole to put a nut in. So when I get tools, I kind of go big and get good ones. So with this one, so you open it and you put in the this little thing here, which is the mandrel, screws in, and they screw in opposite what you normally do, so sort of counterclockwise. So that's in, and then the mandrel sort of lock nut thingy goes in there, and again that also gets screwed in the opposite way that you would think. Is that in there? Is it going in? There we go. And then, so this is open, right? And then it's as simple as putting on the rivet nut here. And I didn't open mine all the way because I couldn't close it when I tried before. It's like it's too wide. So I did it this way. So there you go. That's screwed onto there. Yeah, about that wide. And I might move this a bit closer here. See if I can do this. And let's see if I can. I'm not very good at this here. Good at some things, but the camera thing I'm not so great at. Let's see if I can set it up. And line it up with the hole I'm going to go into here, which will be that hole there. So I'll just move it over. Maybe zoom it in a bit too, if I can. Nope, doesn't let me zoom in. Wow. Okay, I'll just move it over a bit so you can see. So that's not even the hole I'm at. That's the hole I'm at then. All right, I'll put it in there. So you line it up, just put it in there, and basically, and you can feel it, like I can feel the metal squeezing. There we go. Open it back up, and then you undo this. And that is going to unscrew that end that you threaded into the rivet nut in the first place. Just go there. There we go. And there you have it. You've got a lovely little, where is it there? Lovely, where am I? Where's my hand? I can't find my hand on there. By myself. Well, wherever it is, it's in, and it's got a thread in it. So hopefully that helps you to see how to do it.
I'm having fun. Yeah.